I just received this letter from the Office of Civil Rights, which is underneath the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. And this is a follow-up part 2 to the video that you're looking at that I turned the sound off on regarding a HIPAA violation that took place at Hope Mills Medical Home when I was trying to handle something in my medical record and was denied. And this type of attitude is extremely persistent in federal facilities, specifically like Department of Defense. I've dealt with this before. And in this video, I described a very significant incident where I took 6 months to obtain my medical records from the medical records office at Womack Army Medical Center in Fort Bragg, North Carolina. And I'm reporting this to Office of Civil Rights, which is supposed to enforce HIPAA, which is the privacy rights law, but also all about medical records for U.S. patients. Well, whatever the case, the HIPAA, which is enforced by Office of Civil Rights, they don't want to enforce HIPAA or anything in any government-run facility. I've learned the hard way. I talked about this at length in this video, and today, when I received the letter, they just wouldn't even investigate it. They wouldn't even look into it because they don't care. The hard truth that I've learned is that the government regulations frequently are being imposed upon non-government private businesses and citizens for the purpose of extracting quick cash out of them and utilizing it for their own self-serving governmental purposes. This is what I'm seeing time and again. So it emboldens these governmental agencies to do whatever they want because they know that they can. And it's a really big problem. Whereas in private practices and companies that are privately run, it's much different. If they violate HIPAA, they're likely going to be smacked with such hefty fines right away, right out the gate. And so I responded to the Office of Civil Rights with this message, which I typed up and I included in this video, and you can see it's in the bottom right-hand corner. But I wanted to point out that these agencies they shouldn't exist. You know, the Office for Civil Rights, it's not for civil rights. They aren't doing what they're promising. It's always this propaganda in the government about agencies saying they're doing something they're not doing, like Equal Employment Opportunity Commission is a great example, or Office Special Counsel is supposed to be enforcing rights of federal workers that are being, say, retaliated against, for example, or Merit System Protection Board, same kind of thing over and over and over again. These agencies suck up so much money, and our country can't afford it. The Office of Civil Rights needs to be defunded, along with Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, along with the Office of Special Counsel, along with Merit System Protection Board. There are so many federal agencies that are just completely poorly run and useless and need to be defunded. Use that money to pay back the nation's debt. Use that money. Anyways, I'm not just going on about this on social media. I'm actually going to contact my federal congressional representative that's in office right now. And I make it a habit of contacting my elected leaders. And I honestly am not happy with the current elected leaders that I have here locally. And I cannot wait to vote them out of office.